I paid about $40 for 37 Chicago postcards. Did I pay too much? Let's see. So my wife came to me the other day and said, hey, I'm going to go to the other town here to an antique store that she likes to talk to the gentleman that runs it and stuff, and they swap different things. She likes to buy to keep, I buy to sell most of the time. And she was going to go to this other antique store. They have a lot of little cabinets full of people rent out and they put stuff in there. And she called me and said, hey, there's a stack of Chicago postcards in this glass cabinet. They're not in the normal postcard area that you look at, and she's never seen those before. Did you want me to pick them up? I said, how much are they going for? And she said, it looks like $1 a piece. But right away I'm saying, okay, that's a little more than I usually pay for postcards, but they're in the glass case and they're Chicago. I always look for Midwest because I don't have, that's one of the categories, Alaska, Hawaii, and Midwest. You know, I don't have a lot in there when I review my store categories. So I said, yeah, take a look at them. If they're not too damaged, go ahead and pick them up. So 37 cards, $1 piece, let's say $40. So I paid $40 for 37 postcards. And I'm going to go through each one of the cards and what I picked up. And like I did on the other video with the private collection, if you've seen that, I went ahead and comped them. I did a real quick comp on there. And then at the end, I'll tell you what it added up to. The first one was a scene in Humboldt Park, Chicago. It's a divided back. This one comps out about $7.55. So I paid $1 and I got a $7.55. It is posted in 1913. This one is some rocks and rills at Lincoln Park. Lincoln Park is on the north side on there, and this comps out at $8.55 on there. Divided back. Next one is Washington Park, another park. Chicago does parks and stuff on there. This one is $6.55. It's a older divided back card. This one here, Washington Park Lagoon, another one with the lagoon. They used to have boats and stuff out there in Chicago. This one's an $8.55 card. Now some of these comps could be higher or lower, so we'll re-estimate. I'll tell you what they add up to and then what I really think they are, because I always adjust them when I list them. I'll take another look, deeper dive on some of them. Now like this one here is Hotel Hamilton. You think this would be a good one, but it's not. It's a $4.55. There's a lot of these out there, so it's not a high demand one. Next one is the Law Building at Haskell Museum and Divinity Hall, University of Chicago. This didn't do as well either as I thought it would. $6.55. Usually universities will go up a little bit more, but I didn't find a lot. It's probably one I'll look a little closer at. The World's Beautiful Plaza, Grant Park, Illinois. $4.55 linen card at Grant Park. It really doesn't, it's changed a little bit, but it's a linen card, and it was posted in 1942. Edgewater Beach Hotel. This one I see a lot of. $4.55. Just a linen card unposted. Nothing special there. This is the Elks National Memorial, and this is about $5.55 for the Elks Memorial. Unposted linen card. Same thing, Elks Memorial, $5.55, around that area. This one I thought would be more. It's a Napoleon room or whatever, dining room. It's from a series type thing on there. But $4.55, it's pretty prevalent out there. Nothing special. St. James Church, vertical card, up and down, linen, $4.55. Belmont Harbor Yacht Basin, linen card, boats, skyline. Might get $5.55. I got $4.55 on it, but I'll take a look and see. The Blackstone Hotel, white border card. Nope, it's a divided back card on there. $5.55. Another linen, Diversity Harbor, $5.55 is this one comped out for. You can tell it's the linen with the blues. Ryerson Physical Laboratory, University of Chicago, $5.55. These universities, like I said, it might go up a little bit, maybe $6.55, but they're just not comping out what I thought. And this is the campus of University of Chicago, white border card, $5.55. Mandel Hall, $4.55. A lot of these out there, London, University of Chicago. Judson Court, University of Chicago, $5.55. Linen card. Outer Drive from Irving Park, Chicago, $5.55. Any kind of roads like that are local. It's a linen card, so I can't really go to 7-8. So I'm going to stick around $5.55 on that one. The Buckingham Fountain, a lot of these out there, $4.55, $5.55. I might go $5.55 just because I paid $1 for the card, and I'll see what I can get out of it. Pavilion Garfield Park, $6.55, white border card. Garfield Park posted. This was Bandstand Garfield Park, $9.55. That's the highest one so far. Divided back card. Can't tell you when it was posted, but that's what that one is. St. John's School and High School, Chicago, $9.55. Got a few good $10 cards out of here. New Administration Building, Washington Park, Illinois, $5.55, $4.55. Like I said, I'm going to go up a little bit more because I paid up on these, but maybe I paid a penny for 100 cards last week. It kind of averages out, and you can't find the good ones every time, or you spend all your time sourcing, and you just need a good variety, and I needed some Chicago cards, so I paid up a little bit. But did I overpay? Well, we're going to find out. 1910, Conservatory, Flowers, posted, $4.55, $5.55. Same deal here, Conservatory, Lincoln Park. Probably go $5.55 just because it's Lincoln Park. Those people got money up there. Spirit of Great Lakes Fountain, $5.55. Nothing special there. View of Perennial Gardens, Humboldt Park, $6.55. Bushes. But they're not there anymore, probably. Sunken Gardens, Pergola, Humboldt Park, $4.55, $5.55 linen card. This one looked older, Equitable Building. I don't even remember. I have to look and see where this is at. $5.55, nothing special about that card. I thought it'd be a little bit more. Some of the buildings they've torn down or changed. Nothing special. Some more flowers in a conservatory in Washington Park, $4.55. Washington Monument, $4.55. I know where that is. I used to have lunch over by there. Field Museum, Natural History, $4.55, $5.55. People like these older museum cards. There's a whole museum campus. There's a few museums, Science and Industry, Shedd Aquarium. I can take a train from here. I gotta go 20 minutes north, 25 minutes to get a train, and it'll stop right in the museum campus by McCormick Place where all the conventions are. Then you got the Bear Stadium, and then you got the museums, the aquarium, and the two museums. And then we'll get on a train and then go downtown for lunch. I haven't done that in a couple of years. But I used to work downtown. I used to drive down there. I didn't take the train because I never knew if I got called out on a call that I would have to go out to the suburbs or out of state and do things. So on emergency calls. Museum of Science and Industries. That's the other museum there. This is probably $5.55, $4.55. Washington Park Conservatory, $8.55 for that. Undivided back. And the last one is Fort Dearborn Monroe Massacre. Fort Dearborn Massacre. I put it at $6.55. It's an older card. I need some money out of this thing, and that's what it is. You can source at these places and spend a little bit more money. I paid $40 basically for these 37 cards, and I listed them for, I added them all up, what I put on the back, $220. But let's say I go down or whatever, let's say $200. So I paid $40, listed for $200 on these cards when they all sell. Adds to the inventory. It's a day of listing basically. I try to do 50 a day. I'll spread them out between probably a little bit on Etsy and on eBay. And if you haven't watched the private collection, I bought a collection from a guy in California. It had 8 albums and roughly 1,600 cards. And I did a series of 8 videos, one for each album, and I broke down all the cost. And if you're subscribed to the channel, you'll be able to see throughout the year how I do with that whole collection and what money I made on it. But check this list out here, and you can watch them. They're longer videos because I go through each one of the cards and I count them. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I'll catch you on the next one.